There's something I've watched happen over and over again on dealer lots. A customer walks in looking for a safe SUV. They ask for the same 2 or 3 models everyone talks about, the RAV4, the CR-V, maybe a newer Explorer. The salesperson nods, pulls a few keys, and the whole conversation stays inside that same predictable bubble. Meanwhile, sitting just a few rows away, there are SUVs that are just as reliable, just as capable, and often thousands of dollars cheaper, and nobody even walks over to look at them. I've seen perfectly good vehicles sit on dealer lots for weeks, sometimes months, not because there's anything wrong with them, but because buyers simply don't know what they're looking at. And that creates a strange opportunity in the used car market. Because while most people chase the same popular SUVs and drive the prices up, a handful of really solid vehicles quietly gather dust on dealer lots, waiting for someone who understands the value. Today, we're looking at 3 SUVs that fall exactly into that category. These aren't risky project cars or cheap-for-a-reason vehicles. These are SUVs with proven drivetrains, strong reliability records, and ownership costs that make a lot more sense than the overpriced alternatives everyone fights over. And the one at the end of this list is the SUV I've probably recommended more than any other when someone tells me they want something dependable that won't destroy their budget. Let's start with why these kinds of SUVs end up sitting on dealer lots in the first place. If you spend enough time around dealerships, you start noticing a pattern. Certain vehicles move fast, sometimes within a few days of hitting the lot. Others can sit there for weeks, even when there's absolutely nothing wrong with them mechanically. And most of the time, the reason has nothing to do with reliability. It comes down to perception. Car buyers tend to shop based on reputation, not actual ownership experience. People walk in already convinced that a short list of vehicles are the safe choices. Toyota, Honda, maybe a few well-known American models. Those names get all the attention. Everything else gets overlooked. I've seen buyers pay several $1,000s more for a high-mileage SUV simply because it has a familiar badge on the front. Meanwhile, another vehicle with similar mileage, similar capability, and sometimes an even stronger drivetrain sits 5 spaces away, completely ignored. Dealers know this happens too. That's why certain SUVs tend to linger on lots longer than others. The market demand just isn't as aggressive, even if the vehicle itself is perfectly solid. And when something sits too long, the dealer eventually has to start adjusting the price to move it. That's where the opportunity shows up. Because once you step outside the usual everyone buys this list, the used SUV market starts looking very different. Suddenly, you find vehicles that offer the same practicality, the same space, and the same everyday reliability, but for thousands less than the popular models people fight over.
And the first SUV on this list is a perfect example of that exact situation. The first SUV on this list is one I've watched people overlook for years, the third-generation Kia Sarrento, especially the 2016 to 2020 models with the V6 engine. A lot of buyers still carry an old mental picture of Kia from the early 2000s. Back then, the brand was known for cheap economy cars, and reliability wasn't exactly its strongest selling point. That reputation stuck around much longer than it should have. But by the time the 2016 Sarrento came around, Kia had quietly built a very different vehicle. Under the hood, the V6 model uses the 3.3-liter Lambda 2 engine, a naturally aspirated V6 that's been used across multiple Hyundai and Kia platforms. It's a simple engine design, no complicated turbochargers, no fragile hybrid systems, and no exotic maintenance requirements. When you keep up with basic servicing, these engines are known to run well past 200,000 miles. Where the Sarrento really surprises people is the overall package. You get a mid-size SUV with available 3-row seating, a comfortable ride, solid highway manners, and a cabin that honestly feels more premium than most buyers expect from the badge. Interior materials are better than many competitors in the same price range, and the technology features still hold up well today. But because it says Kia on the front instead of Toyota or Honda, demand in the used market isn't nearly as aggressive. And that's exactly why these end up sitting on dealer lots longer than they should. Right now, a clean 2017 or 2018 Sarrento V6 with reasonable mileage often lands somewhere in the $13,000 to $17,000 range, depending on trim and condition. Compare that to a similar year Toyota Highlander or Honda Pilot, and you're often looking at several $1,000s more for the more popular badge. In terms of everyday practicality, though, the Sarrento does the same job. Plenty of space, comfortable road manners, proven drivetrain, and maintenance costs that are very manageable for a midsize SUV. If you're shopping for a family SUV and you're willing to look past the badge on the hood, the Sarrento can be one of the better value plays in the used market right now. But the next SUV on this list might actually be the most consistently reliable compact SUV that buyers keep ignoring. The second SUV on this list is one that mechanics almost never complain about, the Mazda CX5, specifically the second generation that started in 2017. If you ask most buyers what compact SUV they're considering, the answers are almost always the same: Toyota RAV4 or Honda CR-V. Those two dominate the conversation so much that many people never even look at the CX5 sitting right beside them on the lot. And that's a mistake. Because from a mechanical standpoint, the CX5 is one of the simplest and most dependable compact SUVs built in the last decade. Mazda took a very different approach when designing this generation. While other manufacturers were experimenting with complicated turbo systems, small displacement engines pushed to their limits, or CVT transmissions, Mazda kept things straightforward. Most CX5 models from this era use the 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G four-cylinder engine. It's naturally aspirated, which means no turbocharger creating extra heat and stress on the engine. It uses a timing chain instead of a timing belt, and it's paired with a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission, not a CVT. That combination is exactly what mechanics like to see. Fewer complicated components usually means fewer expensive surprises as the miles start adding up. In real-world ownership, these engines regularly go well past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. But reliability isn't the only reason the CX-5 deserves more attention. Mazda has always focused heavily on driving dynamics, and it shows here. Compared to most compact SUVs, the CX-5 actually feels enjoyable to drive. The steering is more responsive, the suspension feels more controlled, and the overall ride quality is surprisingly refined for this segment. The interior is another area where the CX-5 quietly over-delivers. Mazda put real effort into the cabin design. Soft touch materials, clean layout, and a level of fit and finish that honestly feels closer to an entry-level luxury vehicle than a typical economy SUV. Many people are surprised the first time they sit inside one. Yet despite all of those strengths, the CX-5 often sells for several $1,000s less than its Toyota and Honda rivals in the used market. A clean 2018 Mazda CX-5 Touring or Grand Touring with reasonable mileage often falls somewhere around $15,000 to $18,000 depending on condition. Meanwhile, a comparable RAV4 from the same year can easily push well past $20,000. And when you look strictly at reliability, maintenance costs, and daily usability, the difference between the two isn't nearly as dramatic as the price gap suggests. That's exactly why the CX-5 quietly becomes a smart buy for people who take the time to look beyond the usual shortlist. But the final SUV on this list is the one that surprises people the most because it offers Toyota-level durability, serious family practicality, and a price that often makes buyers do a double take once they see it on a dealer lot.
The number one SUV on this list is one I've recommended to more buyers than almost anything else when they tell me they want a family SUV that's dependable and won't turn into a maintenance nightmare down the road. It's the third-generation Toyota Highlander, specifically the 2014 to 2019 models with the V6 engine. Now, at first glance, some people are surprised to see the Highlander on a list of overlooked SUVs. Toyota's reputation for reliability is about as strong as it gets. But the reality is that most buyers shopping for a Toyota SUV automatically gravitate toward the RAV4 or the 4Runner, and the Highlander often gets stuck in the middle of those two. That's where the opportunity appears. Because when you actually look at what the Highlander offers, especially the V6 models, it's one of the most balanced and durable family SUVs you can buy in the used market. Under the hood sits Toyota's 3.5-liter V6 from the 2GR engine family, one of the most proven engines Toyota has ever built. Variations of this engine have powered everything from the Lexus RX to the Toyota Camry and Avalon, and mechanics have seen these engines rack up 300,000 miles or more with routine maintenance. It's a naturally aspirated design, which means no turbochargers to worry about. It uses a timing chain instead of a timing belt, and overall, the drivetrain is known for being extremely durable. Starting in 2017, Toyota paired this engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission, which improved fuel economy and highway cruising. Earlier models used a 6-speed automatic that is also widely regarded as reliable and smooth. But the Highlander isn't just about the engine. One of the reasons families end up liking these SUVs so much is how well they work as everyday vehicles. You get 3 rows of seating, a comfortable ride, excellent highway manners, and an interior that holds up well even after years of use. Toyota designed the Highlander to be a practical family hauler, and it shows. Visibility is good, the controls are straightforward, and the overall driving experience is calm and predictable. Exactly what most people want from a midsize SUV. And because the used car market tends to obsess over certain models, the Highlander sometimes ends up priced lower than people expect for a vehicle with this kind of reputation. Right now, a 2016 or 2017 Highlander V6 with reasonable mileage can often be found in the $18,000 to $22,000 range, depending on trim and condition. When you compare that to newer compact SUVs that cost similar money but offer less space and less long-term durability, the value becomes pretty obvious. That's why this generation of Highlander quietly becomes a favorite for buyers who plan to keep their vehicle for a long time. It's not flashy, it's not trendy, but if the goal is a dependable SUV that can handle years of family duty without constant repairs, the Highlander is about as safe a bet as the used market offers. And when one of these shows up on a dealer lot at the right price, the smart buyers tend to notice pretty quickly. Now, if you're thinking about buying one of these SUVs, there are a few simple things I always tell people to check before making a decision. First, look at maintenance history. A well-maintained vehicle with higher mileage is often a much safer bet than a lower mileage SUV that skipped regular servicing. Second, pay attention to how the previous owner treated the interior. Worn seat bolsters, scratched panels, and neglected interiors often tell you more about the car's life than the odometer does. And third, always budget a little money for basic maintenance after purchase, fluids, filters, and a thorough inspection. Starting fresh with maintenance gives you a clear baseline. So, let's recap. The Kia Sarrento V6 delivers 3-row practicality and strong value because buyers still underestimate the brand. The Mazda CX5 offers one of the most reliable and well-engineered compact SUV platforms of the last decade, and the Toyota Highlander V6 remains one of the safest long-term bets for families who want durability without unnecessary complexity. 3 SUVs that often sit quietly on dealer lots, while the smart buyers know exactly what they're looking at. And if you made it all the way to this point in the video, chances are you're not just casually browsing for an SUV. You're probably the kind of person who actually likes understanding how the car market works. And honestly, that's exactly why this channel exists. Most buyers only see the popular models everyone talks about, but there's a whole side of the car market filled with vehicles that offer incredible value if you know where to look. The goal here is to break down those hidden opportunities, the reliable platforms, and the buying insights that most people never hear about. So, if you enjoy this kind of deep dive into the car world, make sure to subscribe to Auto Prestige. We're constantly covering the vehicles, trends, and industry insights that smart buyers pay attention to. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps the channel reach more car enthusiasts who are trying to make smarter decisions when buying their next vehicle.